It had to be Dot, adorable Dot. At age 96, a fabulous mix, and still kinda hot. Charisma she's got, abrasive she's not. Her last senior mile, she walked it in style, taking her shot. Forever she'll cherish St. Engelbert's parish. She'd leave it each day, and for 3 miles each way to high school she'd trot. Her lifetime with jazz was bound to have been 63 years, all meant to begin when she stuck out her tongue, 'cause the girl on the Schwinn had to be Dot. Our Dorothy Jane has got quite a brain. All bookkeeping skills, like balancing bills, are in her domain. And wouldn't you know, she makes dresses to go. With fabric in hand, designs she has planned are ready to sew. Dot loves getting deals and making great meals. Desserts that she bakes, like gooey butter cakes, they just hit the spot. It's been 7 years since Dorothy came, and Chesterfield never has been the same. When dominoes fall at Mexican Train, the pot goes to Dot. She'll sit for a spell at her 5-year-old Dell. Now email she's typing, with Bert she is Skyping. She likes that a lot. Dot knows full well the best way to thrive. She's still the belle of Collingwood Drive. The original 8 said her bridge game was great. It's good to be Dot. And everyone here is quick to agree, Dot is the soul of the whole family. When all's said and done, for laughter and fun, in case you forgot, it's just as we thought. It has to be Dot.